All right, so I've got a spreadsheet open that we used recently. I'm working with the district to help the Boulder Bookstore select titles of books that are going to go into each seventh grade classroom, and there's one of these for sixth grade, eighth grade, etc. And the spreadsheet that Boulder Bookstore gave us was, I don't know, 300, 400 lines long, 348 lines long. And we were in a Google Meet, and there were students there were district people there was teachers from all over the district, librarians, and we were all talking about the same spreadsheet. And one of the students talked about this book that really, really meant something to them, called The Girl That Drank the Moon. And this was a meeting with, 7, 8, 10 people in it. And then everybody, you could just tell from the lack of participation that everybody was scrolling in here trying to find the book. They're in alphabetical order, but did they do it under the, or did they do it under G? And this is one of those situations where I wish everyone in the meeting knew forward search. So you type Ctrl-F and you type in, I don't know, drank. And I was just trying to think of, like, what's the most unique word in The Girl Who Drank the Moon. And so drank seemed pretty interesting. It's only in the spreadsheet once, and it brings you right to that cell where you can tell other people, oh, hey, it's on line 129. And we went from 8 to 10 people spending 2 or 3 minutes finding this to hopefully a minute or less. I know this sounds ridiculous, but saving 8 or 10 people 2 minutes in a meeting is saving 20 minutes of time, right? And saving 20 minutes of time, of like people time, is worth a keyboard command like that. So just think about where you get super long emails from people, where your Google Drive files, your Google Doc is a 40-page manual, and you're hunting through it page by page, and spreadsheets of this kind of enormity, and how powerful Control F might work for you. What examples would work in your working life to use Control F? Think about it.